Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cracking open a kit of one of the most legendary wooden ships ever. This is the 1/60 scale Mayflower from Building Boats. I have got this box sitting around forever, so it's finally time to rip it open and see what goodies are hiding inside. Let's dive in. This Mayflower kit actually goes way back. Building Boats first released it in the early 1970s, right around the 350th anniversary of the original Mayflower's 1620 voyage. There was a huge wave of interest in the ship back then on both sides of the Atlantic, so this kit basically became a classic. As a Building Boats build, this is very much an intermediate to advanced wooden hull model. The wood strips and the dowels are basswood, super easy to work with, soft enough to shape, and friendly for bending. The rigging lines, they're fine, totally usable, but honestly, I always upgrade mine because it makes the finish look way more authentic. The instructions and the drawings definitely feel old school. They work, but they're not modern. I have heard Billings is updating their menus with step-by-step color photos, though if that's true, nice move, Billings. One cool thing, the sail blocks in this kit are wooden. Most of their kits come with plastic ones, so this is a huge plus. And the laser cut plywood parts, clean, precise, super nice. Gotta give Billings a thumbs up for that. When finished, the model stands about 65 centimeters long, 52 centimeters tall, and 14 centimeters wide. Perfect display size for basically any shelf or desk. Right now, this kit runs about 180 pounds or around $240 US. At that price point, you can look at other Mayflower kits that cost a bit more but come with more modern instructions or features. But if you want a single planking build with the printed decals ready to go, and you want a solid challenge without a year-long commitment, this kit hit the sweet spot. Final tip. Because the real Mayflower was lost after 1624, and we don't have blueprints or photos. Every model today is based on educated guesswork. The good news is, the replica Mayflower II is considered pretty accurate, so you can use that as your main reference during the build. Alright, that's it for today's unboxing and review. I will see you in the build video.